good afternoon, sir, and thank you so much that you have accepted my request in the first attempt. Okay, let's. I am
Thank
going
you
to
so much.
jump.
It is my honor.
Okay, let's. I am going to jump on the question. So, let's start with tell me something about you. After that, we will proceed further.
Okay, so my name is Harsh, and I'm the founder of this technology company by the name Trulogy. So we typically work into customized software development, mobile apps, and we work into enterprise application development. And as an overall, we work as a system integrator. So we do get into a lot of technology consulting. We do get into RFID based solutions, a lot of handled based applications, smart card based applications. So we work as a system integration company.
Okay, that's great. Okay, first elaborate your digital marketing journey. That how you have started and how you reached to the place where you are. Like what all the problem that you face and how you become like a digital
Okay.
marketing expert and yes. Yes, sir. Now over up to you.
Okay. In terms of digital marketing, one is what we understood lately and where we went wrong, perhaps, or maybe we kept on improving our own strategy is like even we started just like by creating different accounts on the social channels, posting about like few of the things and posting more on the creative part of thing and just starting with festive creatives kind of a thing, which we eventually realized that is not something that we should be going, or perhaps any of the organization should be focusing more on, like promoting their work, more of promoting their insights and the overall culture that actually builds the entire organization. So it is actually what we understood in our entire digital marketing journey is that the kind of communication message that you would like to put forward for the organization, that should be very well oriented, that should be very well presented. The graphical content or the video content or the textual content or any sort of engaging content, that should be pretty much defined, and there should be a strategy to it. So it's not that you just think about something and you just come and post at whatever time you had a thought. So there should be a strategy and there should be a continuous review mechanism of whatever you are posting on the digital media. So because what we felt is like there is already a, like there is a flood of content available on these social channels. So one, it is very important to have a very good content which is relevant to your industry and the kind of information that you would like for your potential customers or for all the users that are there on the social channels, so that they can relate to it.
Okay,
It
okay.
should be crisp enough.
Yes.
And yeah, so typically what we understood in this entire journey, that is.
Okay, thank you. Okay, sir. Like I want to ask how you start this journey. Like what is the starting point? There you reach from there. Like where you start.
Yeah. So, starting, if in case for us digital, so I'll tell you for on the both things. One is like we did it, how we did it for our own internal self, and if we have to do it for our customers, then how we approach it. So, for our own internal self, for what we did is we started creating all the social channels. That was one. So, all the social channels that are there. So, we created our social channels, and then we started analyzing which particular social channels have that kind of an aspect of the audience. So let's say, for example, for us personally, I am more, like interested or focused or inclined towards LinkedIn, because our work is more onto intellectual part of thing. We work on technology and we work on consulting. So we get into more of intellectual part of it. We
Okay.
are not much into social, we are not much into, like other such stuff. So that is why the creation of one particular, like focus on one particular account, that is LinkedIn. So how we started is like we created our social accounts on all the platforms and we started analyzing the presence of target audience that we are looking for.
Okay,
So
sure.
again, as I mentioned that it is a continuous review process. So based upon that review, we came to a conclusion that okay, we need to focus on this particular channel. And
Okay.
now our next focus is on creating more engaging content for YouTube, coming up with consulting and digital transformation videos on YouTube. So that's our
Okay.
starting.
Yes, yes. I can reach to you from the LinkedIn as I search your number from the LinkedIn as well as your Gmail and all this stuff. Okay. Okay.
Fantastic.
Second. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Tell me something about the Trulogy, that what it did, like how you provide all the services to the customer and what all, like in brief about the Trulogy.com.
Okay. So as I mentioned, Trilogy is a system integration organization. We are into IT applications. So we get into customized application development. Now, how do we get like for any of the customer? How do we? What is the process of onboarding the customer? So once we are in touch with the customer, it could be by we obtain any referral, we obtain any like reference from any of our partners from the team, or maybe a lead generated from the social media. Then we get in touch with that particular potential customer, and then we try to understand what is the kind of solution they are looking for, what are the pain areas they are trying to solve at. So we get to understand their objective and their pain areas. And then we formulate a complete strategy about their consulting, what kind of solution we can provide them.
That you have achieved in this digital marketing journey.
Well, in the digital marketing journey, I can say that yes, as an organization, I have a team of digital marketing, so I do get to understand that if I have a comparative study about the performance of my own organization digitally on digital, what are my organization digital footprint? So yes, it has been continuously engaging and increasing. So that I would term as a ongoing achievement, that we are able to continuously grow our footprint digitally. So what I mean by growing our footprint is like we are adding followers, we are getting genuine people attached with our digital channels. So that is a good thing. And we are now able to understand the importance of communication methodology, and creating a synchronized communication message as an organization. So we are now more focused, like, so for example, as an SME or as a small organization, it always becomes tough to organize your communication messages across and make it a synchronized, or make it as a like a complete synchronized thing.
Okay.
So that is one of the achievement, that we are able to put our branding strategy properly and increasing our
Yes,
following
yes.
base.
Okay, now my second question is like lots of people want to start their journey in digital marketing. So what are the basic steps to start their journey in digital marketing? As the digital marketing is growing in very boom type, so everyone want to jump in this field. So what are the suggestion that you want to give to them?
So see, even in my organization as well, whenever I sit with my digital marketing team, I do not talk on the digital marketing tools. I do not talk how you can create your account on Facebook, or what has to be posted on Facebook or LinkedIn. So I generally do not talk about tool oriented thing, but my suggestion always to my team and to other people who would like to start their digital marketing agency is to understand how marketing is done.
Yes,
If they
everyone.
will understand what is the crux of marketing, and how do you market, maybe marketing a brand, maybe marketing a product, maybe marketing a service. So it is very important that you should understand these digital marketing tools that are there, like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. These are just channels. Ultimately, they are just a medium to achieve something. If you know what you have to achieve, then you would be able to play around all these channels very perfectly. So you should be very much focused upon the ultimate objective, that what you want to achieve, and you should understand what marketing is.
Okay. Okay. What I can understand that you want to say we have to master the marketing. It's just a channel of marketing. Okay,
Exactly.
sure, sure. Okay, as a lot of people want to start their digital marketing journey, like digital marketing agency, and they are still struggling to start the agency, and they want to grow their agency as you are running the successful digital marketing agency. So, what all suggestion, what all tips you want to give to them?
In order to start and if they are facing any kind of challenges, so one is that they should start marketing themselves first before approaching any client. So they should build their own portfolio first, which is very much in our own hands. We can do it from day one, and if we do that very correctly, then obviously you are actually putting out the word out in the digital ocean. It becomes more easy for other customers to approach them, and because they are able to see that what kind of activity you have been doing, you would automatically gain their trust. So whoever is planning to start their digital marketing agency should create their own portfolio across all these digital channels, whichever they are trying to focus on, and they should create these kind of content from themselves so that people start recognizing their content. And obviously, yes, when they start recognizing, they will come back to you.
Okay, sure, sure. Yes, this is a very main thing that we have to market ourselves. This is the main thing. Like you are going to service, then you have to